The FAA Tech Center is home to the National Airport Test Facility in Pomona, New Jersey. Recently, we were called on to do a high-speed asphalt core drill in a parking area at the FAA Tech Center. The drill rig, which is a Sprague & Henwood PT-288, was pulled in, set up, and the drilling begins. The advantages of a high-speed core drill is, of course, the fact that it has weight and the power to core through most any type of pavement, concrete, airport runways, etc. The core drill kerf is started, the thin wall diamond bit is engaged, and the coring continues until the termination of the asphalt. At that point, the core is withdrawn and the core bit is disengaged from the machine, and the core is extracted from the core bit. After successful completion of the pavement coring operation, a test boring rig was set up for standard penetration testing of the subsurface soils. M&R would challenge any drilling contractor to place their high-speed core drill against ours. Our trained personnel and equipment will finish your job quickly, safely, on time, and more important, on budget. Visit us at thehappywelldriller.com. The Happywelldriller is an NGWA certified master groundwater contractor ready to handle all of your drilling and subsurface needs.